A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the words association. Find the probability that the chosen letter is a vowel. Important part in this is, even though S is repeated, I is repeated, you need not count them one, because all the words, these are like separate alphabets kept in a basket, and you have to select something. So S is 2 times, I is 2 times, it's like this. So you need not count them one. So total number of alphabets are 11, right? 4, 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So vowels are how many? A, O, I, O. See here, O 2 times, I 2 times, A 2 times. So 6. So probability is what? Required upon total. 6 upon 11. That's the answer. If it's given in the question that taken one at a time, in that case the question would be different, right? Then you take only once.